It's so extra, isn't it? It's worth coming here just for this, I think. Look at Ourang Beach.
This just looks amazing.
Tacky cheap shops and scenery. Why are they playing with fire?
Banana and egg seems like a weird mixture. There's just so much to see. They were not having any of it. This is so good. Looking forward to it.
If I say no on camera, then I'm being cruel. Looks like it's going to sink. We're going to quickly sprint in.
Right. Tsunami evacuation route. That's filling me with joy. Quite choppy out there.
Hello everyone, welcome to another video. For anyone who guessed where we were at the end of the last video, we are in fact in Krabi. We've just arrived and we've just got into the Airbnb, so we'll give you a little show around. We've got a pretty basic kitchen, but it's a little, is this studio? Is this what you call a studio?
Studio has the bedroom within the...
Oh. I mean, it's quite big. It's got a decent amount of space, at least. And then you come around through these patio doors into the bedroom. There is a little balcony. I don't think the view's too bad, to be fair. You can see a temple just off in the distance. Got a nice little bit of nature and then another condo. Yeah, it's not too bad. So we're heading out just to get dinner now. We are craving a massaman curry. There's a place just down the road which looks really nice. We've arrived at dinner. It's called Red Chili Thai Cuisine. It's opposite the Hula Hula Resort if you did want to come here. I love all the different furniture in here. It's all like unique and it looks like almost like custom done or like homemade. It's so cool. And the kind of little cutlery holder. I don't even know what it is. It looks like a mini cricket or something. So we got this blended coconut shake. Look how cool this is. I like coconut peanuts as well. It's so extra, isn't it? That looks so good.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. This looks so pretty. I've never seen this much attention to detail with the food that we've eaten. It's all in the presentation being ruined after, but this looks and smells so good. What are you thinking?
It's good.
It is really good.
Perfect level of heat as well.
Yeah.
It's about curries in Thailand. Some of them they're nice and creamy, but then they've got like a bit of heat, but not so much that you like snivelling all the way through.
Yeah, I think this is pretty much perfect. It tastes so good. Ooh, we've just gone for dessert because our main was so good. We're like, we got to try some dessert here. We've gone for, I think it was pineapple compote with coconut relish. It looks well nice. And once again, the presentation is on point. Ooh, it's quite sweet, isn't it?
I like the flavours mixed together, the pineapple and coconut.
Almost like a pina colada, yeah. That's good. It's worth coming here just for this, I think.
Thank you, bye.
So we've just gone for a walk after dinner and look at Ourang Beach. It looks so picturesque, doesn't it?
I can't get over like those mountains over there with the sun coming over them.
Ooh.
I feel like this is probably like the prettiest beach we've actually seen on our travels. This just looks amazing.
Yeah. Oh, and there's fire throwers like down there. I just want to like, yeah, proper jump in. So I bet it's really nice and warm as well. Everything is just all lit up here. It's a bit of a, I don't know, it's a bit sad because it's like the natural like beauty of it all over there, and then it's like there's just so much like busyness and like lights and everything.
I feel like it draws you in though. Like I'm already like, oh, I want to go in all those shops. And
Yeah, because you love a kiss me quick, that's why.
It does seem very like kiss me quick at the moment, but it doesn't seem too like trashy. I feel like I'm liking it so far. Very touristy though.
Oh, look at the jungle behind those shops as well. I'm liking it.
I feel
I'm
like
liking
it's
it.
like a good mixture of like nice scenery and then tacky cheap shops.
That's like your ideal, isn't it?
Yeah.
Tacky cheap shops and scenery. These kids literally look about 5 years old. Why are they playing with fire? Wait. Where'd that come from?
I've never like seen anything like this before.
Yeah.
It's like sparklers on steroids. going for the banana and egg roti, which was recommended to Jacob their first night in Thailand.
Yeah, it was actually, and it's taken till now to get it.
I'm intrigued by it because banana and egg seems like a weird mixture, but
yeah,
we'll go with it. So here it is, the banana and egg roti, which is actually really nice. I feel like I can't taste the egg though, and then it's like a bit of sweetness as well.
Yeah, it's like a really nice mix of savoury and sweet.
We're heading back to our Airbnb after what was meant to be like a quick walk down to the... Yeah, we were like, oh, we'll just quickly go and get dinner, have a quick look at the beach. We've been out for hours. There's just so much to see, wasn't there?
Yeah.
And we did end up going in a few shops, trying to barter with the shopkeepers, but to be honest, failed quite miserably on that front. They were not having any of it, were they?
Some of them were.
Yeah, we got a few bits, got a few like presents and stuff. See you in the morning.
Peace.
Right, it's our second night in Krabi.
Yeah. Welcome to Aonang's landmark night market. Landmark night market. Welcome to Aonang.
He literally just googled it and he's just forgotten again.
Welcome to Aonang land market. Landmark. It's too difficult, it's too much of a tongue twister. Welcome to Aonang Landmark Night Market.
We've just ordered ourselves some curries.
Yeah, so we've gone for a chicken and a beef massaman curry.
I mean, we did have massaman last night, but we just love it.
It is so good.
But we're trying to beef massaman for the first time tonight, so that's going to be interesting to see what that's like. I'm glad that we got one each. These were 100 baht each.
Yeah, pretty well priced, I think.
Yeah, pretty good for around here.
This looks good though. It looks like a decent amount of beef. I was afraid that they weren't going to put in too much beef or chicken.
Yeah.
It's quite cheap, but
yeah,
just give this a go.
Oh yeah, you're literally going to demolish that in about 3 minutes.
Yeah, I could eat 2 portions of this, definitely.
That's what he says every time.
This is well nice.
What's the beef like?
Yeah, it's not bad. It's really tender.
Oh, is it? Going for the Thai tea. This is so good. Slowness.
You know, we had to get the mango sticky rice. Oh, this milk's really like thin.
Oh yeah.
This is well. So we're pretty excited. We've just booked the 7 Island sunset tour for tomorrow. We got it for about 750 baht. I'm pretty happy with that.
We went to quite a few different places and just kept getting lower and lower every time. And in the end, the one before dinner was at 900, and I was like, right, I'm sure we can get someone to 800. He went straight in at 800 and we were like, okay, nice. We're gonna go even lower now.
Yeah.
So then went 750.
And that's the thing with these tour guides, trips, scooters, stuff like that, you can literally haggle everyone and anyone down in Asia, it seems.
The later it got, the more desperate they seem to fill up the spaces. So if you are looking to do anything like this, I'd say wait until it gets later. Yeah. Because they've obviously got a boat ready for tomorrow and they need to fill those spaces up.
Yeah, that's the thing.
So I feel like the later we were talking to people, the more they were willing to like move the price down. And it's a sunset one, so we're going to be picked up at 12:30.
Yeah.
In the afternoon. And then we're going to be with them until like 9 PM. So we're going to see the sunset. We've got a barbecue on the beach, you've got a fire show.
Yeah, it should be good.
Looking forward to it. Good morning. Today is the day we go on our Sunset Island snorkeling tour. So excited, really looking forward to it. Just looking forward to going in the water. Jacob's got his snorkeling mask and whatnot now. We've also got proper swim cover-up things as well, so we won't be worried about fish biting us. Yeah, really, really excited. Right, it's 2 o'clock and we are at the pier. And just waiting for our boat to arrive, I think. I think it's snack time now.
No, it's not. No. Just because you're saying it on camera, it doesn't mean that it is snack time. She said, "Oh, is it snack time? Is it snack time?" And I've been like, "No, it's not snack time." So she gets the camera out just because then if I say no on camera, then I'm being cruel.
I don't know what time the old barbecue is later, but I'm very much looking forward to that. Right, we've been summoned. You're dreaming if you think that's alright. We've got the wooden
Thing, which looks like it's going to sink any second. First island, we're in a bit of a rush. It took absolutely ages to get here. So the guys basically said we've got like 25 minutes, which is now about 15 because we've had to set up and get everything on. So we're going to quickly sprint in, see if we can see anything and just have a little swim bout. You can actually get to the other island from this island when the tide's low. It's connected by the sand, but because the tide's high, we can just go swimming.
That was the quickest swim and snorkel ever.
But we still saw some, quite a lot of fish, didn't we?
Yeah, we saw some cool fish. We didn't have time to film them. I'd say we probably had about 10 minutes in the water. I'm hoping it's just because we left late and they're trying to make up time. Hopefully
there'll be a few destinations where we can do it for like a good hour or something. Just come over to this little spot here, kind of for a bit of open water snorkeling, which I'm actually really excited for.
Right. I'm gonna put my life jacket on just in case.
That's Chicken Head Island over there supposedly. So it looks like a chicken's head.
Just stopped off at the next island. Luckily we're here for like an hour. So we're just gonna go for a little wander. Tsunami evacuation route. That's filling me with joy. Oh, it's some watermelon. Nice. Just walking through like the caves to get to dinner.
We're on Aonang Island.
Oh yeah. We're hoping that when we get to the place for dinner that we're going to be able to see the sunset. It's quite choppy out there. Dinner's been served. We just went up and helped ourselves, but it's actually quite nice.
Yeah, we've got this and it's actually really not that bad. It's pretty good actually, I think.
Yeah, it's just like rice and chicken and salad and veg and stuff. It's alright.
A nice little barbecue skewer as well.
We're at the plankton now, which apparently we're going to be able to see once we get under the water. We still haven't tried pad thai.
Oh yeah, good. This looks incredible already.
So you'd recommend? Yeah. Yeah? I can't believe we've waited until now to try it. I don't want this to end. Dimac.
That was really good. Oh yeah, that really good flavour of water.
And we made a new friend. He said she'd been making it for 50 years.
That's like set the bar very high for what pad thai should taste like.